Hey there! Welcome back to Budget Buying. If you are searching for the best digital clamp meter to handle electrical measurements with accuracy and confidence, you're in the right place. Whether you're working on home wiring or professional projects, having a reliable tool makes everything easier. Today, we're taking a closer look at a powerful and practical option. Let's get started. The Uni-T UT2004 digital clamp meter is built for both electricians and DIY users who need precise and dependable readings. It features 6,000 counts true RMS measurement with auto-ranging. This means it can provide accurate readings even when dealing with unstable or complex electrical signals. You do not have to manually adjust ranges, which saves time and reduces mistakes. The Uni-T UT204 digital clamp meter can measure AC current and up to 600 amp DC current. It also handles small current measurements, resistance, capacitance, temperature, frequency, diode testing, and audible continuity. On top of that, it measures AC and DC voltage and AC voltage frequency. It even supports high-voltage measurements up to 600 volts and large capacitance readings up to 60 millifarads. This wide range of functions makes it a very versatile tool for different electrical tasks. Safety is a major focus in the Uni-T UT204 digital clamp meter. It offers 600-volt protection across all ranges. The device includes NCV multi-segment detection with audio and visual alarms. This non-contact voltage detection helps you identify live wires without direct contact, adding an extra layer of protection. It is rated Cat 3 300 volts and Cat 2 600 volts, which means it is designed to handle different working environments safely. The design is also user-friendly. The Uni-T UT204 digital clamp meter has a non-slip rubber grip that makes it comfortable to hold during longer jobs. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in a tool bag without taking up too much space. The large screen with LCD backlight is another helpful feature. You can clearly read measurements even in low light conditions. This is especially useful when working in dark corners or electrical panels. The display is clear and easy to understand, which improves overall efficiency. Uni-T also provides 24-hour one-to-one support. If you ever face any issue or have a question, help is available, which adds confidence when using the tool. Overall, the Uni-T UT204 digital clamp meter combines precision, safety, and practical design. It covers a wide range of measurements while keeping operation simple and secure. Measure smart and stay safe. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.